What if everything you've been taught about money is actually holding you back? From the 9-to-5 grind to the endless cycle of debt, society's rules are designed to keep you financially trapped. But what if there's a way out? In this video, we'll uncover how society programs you to fail financially and reveal the strategies you need to break free and take control of your financial future. Don't miss out on this life-changing information. Watch till the end. The foundation. How society shapes financial beliefs. One of the most influential ways society programs individuals to fail financially is by shaping our beliefs about money from a very young age. Many of us are raised in environments where certain financial narratives are deeply ingrained. Some of these ideas are helpful, while others can be limiting and detrimental to our financial success. The get a job, work hard, and earn a salary mentality. The traditional belief that a steady job with a reliable salary is the key to financial success has been passed down through generations. This mentality can make people feel secure in their financial situation, but it often limits their potential for wealth creation. The idea that working hard for a paycheck is the ultimate goal of financial success is deeply ingrained in educational systems, family structures, and workplace cultures. While this approach can lead to financial stability for many, it may not necessarily result in financial freedom or wealth accumulation. By focusing on earning a fixed salary, individuals often become complacent and fail to explore other ways of building wealth, such as investing, entrepreneurship, or side businesses. Society's focus on a steady paycheck and climbing the corporate ladder often discourages people from exploring alternative income streams that can provide financial independence. The consumerism culture. Society's emphasis on consumerism also plays a huge role in preventing people from achieving financial success. From a young age, individuals are bombarded with advertisements, encouraging them to buy products they don't need. This consumerist mindset is perpetuated through media, fashion, technology, and social norms. As a result, many people prioritize spending over saving and investing, often falling into debt in the process. Consumerism also fuels a culture of comparison, where individuals are encouraged to keep up with others by acquiring the latest gadgets, clothing, and vehicles. This keeping up with the Joneses mentality leads to overspending and financial stress. People often end up living beyond their means to maintain an image of success or social status, which prevents them from building wealth. The lack of financial education. Most people graduate from high school and even college without receiving proper financial education. Financial literacy is rarely taught in schools, and as a result, individuals often lack the knowledge to manage their money effectively. Society assumes that people will automatically learn about personal finance through life experience, but for many, this leads to costly mistakes and poor financial decisions. The absence of education around budgeting, investing, credit management, taxes, and other aspects of financial well-being means that many individuals make uninformed decisions about their money. Without proper financial knowledge, people are more likely to fall into debt, miss opportunities to save or invest, and struggle with basic financial tasks like managing cash flow. The fear of taking risks. Society often rewards conformity and discourages risk-taking, especially in the realm of finances. From an early age, children are taught to avoid failure and to play it safe. This mindset is then transferred into adulthood, where individuals are reluctant to take risks, such as investing in stocks, starting a business, or pursuing unconventional career paths. Instead, many people opt for the safe route of steady employment and guaranteed paychecks, even if it means foregoing opportunities for wealth building. While taking risks can be daunting, calculated financial risks can be an essential part of achieving financial freedom. Without a willingness to step outside of one's comfort zone and embrace uncertainty, individuals may never realize their full financial potential. Societal structures that perpetuate financial struggles. Beyond personal beliefs and behaviors, society also creates systems and structures that perpetuate financial struggles. These systems are designed to benefit the few while keeping the majority in a cycle of debt, dependency, and financial insecurity. The debt trap. One of the most common ways that society programs individuals to fail financially is through the widespread availability of debt. Credit cards, student loans, mortgages, car loans, and payday loans are marketed as solutions to immediate financial needs, but they can often lead to long-term financial instability. Many people fall into the debt trap because they believe they need to live beyond their means to keep up with societal expectations. The ability to borrow money easily can create the illusion of financial freedom, but it often leads to crippling debt, high interest payments, and a constant need to work just to service debt rather than build wealth. Student loans are particularly problematic, as they leave graduates burdened with debt long after they've entered the workforce. These loans can delay major life milestones, such as buying a house or saving for retirement, making it difficult to break free from the cycle of financial struggle. The housing market and real estate hype. The housing market is another area where society encourages financial failure. Many people are led to believe that owning a home is the ultimate financial goal, often prioritizing homeownership over other forms of wealth creation. Society paints a picture of owning a house as a sign of success and stability, but for many, it becomes a financial burden. In many urban areas, housing prices have soared to the point where buying a home is far beyond the reach of most individuals without taking on enormous debt. Additionally, the hidden costs of homeownership such as maintenance, taxes, and insurance can quickly become overwhelming. Society's pressure to buy a home can trap individuals in long-term debt and prevent them from investing their money in assets that may provide higher returns. The corporate ladder and salary dependency. The concept of working up the corporate ladder is a deeply ingrained part of society's financial programming. People are encouraged to work their way up in a company, assuming that a higher salary will automatically lead to greater wealth and security. However, this system often leads to a false sense of financial security. While a salary can provide a steady income, it also keeps individuals dependent on their employer for financial well-being. If their job is lost, or if they reach a salary ceiling, their income may stagnate, making it difficult to build wealth. Additionally, the corporate culture often emphasizes long hours, burnout, and stress in exchange for incremental raises, leaving little room for personal growth or financial independence. The focus on short-term gratification. In a world that prioritizes instant gratification, society's financial programming encourages people to spend money immediately rather than save or invest for the long term. From flash sales to the temptation of easy credit, short-term pleasures often override long-term financial goals. Social media, especially, plays a significant role in promoting this culture of instant gratification. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok showcase a lifestyle of luxury and abundance, where instant gratification is the norm. The pressure to keep up with the materialism seen on social media can push individuals to make hasty purchases and overextend themselves financially. How to break free from society's financial programming. Breaking free from society's financial programming requires a shift in mindset, behavior, and approach to money. It is not easy, and it may involve unlearning many of the financial lessons that society has taught you. However, it is possible to regain control over your financial future by taking proactive steps toward financial independence. Shift your mindset, abandon limiting beliefs. The first step to breaking free from societal programming is to identify and replace limiting beliefs about money. Instead of believing that money is scarce or that you need to work hard for a paycheck to survive, focus on the abundance of opportunities available to you. Understand that wealth is not solely dependent on having a high salary or a traditional job. Embrace the mindset of an investor, entrepreneur, and creator. Realize that money is a tool that can be used to generate more wealth, and that your financial situation can be improved by making smarter decisions, taking calculated risks, and seeking out opportunities to grow your income. Develop financial literacy. To break free from financial struggles, it's essential to increase your financial literacy. Educate yourself about the basics of personal finance, such as budgeting, saving, investing, credit management, and taxes. There are many resources available, from books and podcasts to online courses and financial advisors, that can help you understand how to manage money effectively. Developing a strong understanding of how money works allows you to make informed decisions that will help you build wealth, avoid debt, and take advantage of investment opportunities. Stop competing with others. Embrace financial independence. The pressure to keep up with others and maintain a certain lifestyle can be overwhelming, but true financial freedom comes from focusing on your own goals rather than comparing yourself to others. Understand that financial independence doesn't require you to live an extravagant lifestyle or flaunt your wealth. It's about being able to live life on your own terms, without the constant stress of worrying about money. Set your own financial goals, and prioritize saving and investing over spending on unnecessary luxuries. Remember, financial independence is about creating wealth for yourself, not trying to impress others. Learn to control your spending, prioritize saving and investing. Another crucial step in breaking free from society's financial programming is to learn how to control your spending. The consumerist culture encourages us to spend money impulsively on things that we don't necessarily need. This constant temptation to consume can drain your finances and prevent you from building long-term wealth. Instead of living paycheck to paycheck or purchasing items that provide only temporary satisfaction, focus on prioritizing saving and investing. One effective strategy is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs: housing, utilities, food, 30% to wants: entertainment, eating out, etc., and 20% to savings and investments. By allocating a portion of your income towards building wealth, you can slowly move toward financial independence. Another essential aspect of spending control is distinguishing between wants and needs. Society pushes us to want things that have no lasting value, such as the latest gadgets, fashionable clothes, or the most luxurious cars. Instead, redirect that money into investments, whether that's the stock market, real estate, or building an emergency fund. Long-term wealth is built through delayed gratification. Society's financial programming is designed to maintain the status quo, where people remain dependent on their jobs, stuck in debt, and unable to build wealth. However, by recognizing the ways in which society influences our financial habits and beliefs, we can begin to break free and take control of our financial futures. To break free from financial failure, it's essential to adopt a mindset of abundance, develop financial literacy, avoid unnecessary debt, create multiple streams of income, and embrace entrepreneurship and investing. Surround yourself with people who share your financial goals, and keep learning and adapting as you move toward financial independence. Ultimately, financial freedom isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about having the power to live life on your terms, without being bound by financial constraints. It may take time, effort, and discipline, but with the right mindset and strategy, breaking free from society's financial programming is not only possible, it's within your reach. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.